you heard your colleagues casually joke that don't leave without taking gratuity? Also, did you know that if you leave the company or retired after serving 5 years, then you have the right to receive gratuity amount? Hello and welcome, I'm Ekta from Clear. In this video, we will discuss everything about gratuity. But before that, let's address your first question, what is gratuity? If you have worked at a company for 5 or more years, then they pay an amount as a sign of gratitude for the service that you have performed over the years. This is known as gratuity. Is your company required to pay gratuity? So every company having 10 or more employees on any day during the year is required to pay gratuity to their employees. Any employee who leaves the company after completing 5 years of continuous service is eligible for gratuity. And in case of death of an employee, this condition of 5 years will not apply and the legal heirs will receive the gratuity. Your salary structure would look something like this. It will include components like basic salary, dearness allowance, HRA, and other allowances. But for gratuity calculation purpose, salary means only basic and DA, that is dearness allowance. So we have taken their totals separately here. Then you will need number of years of service. And you have to round off any value which is more than 6 months. That is, say, if you worked for 16 years, 17 months, then you will consider it as 17 years. And if you work for 16 years and 4 months, then you will consider it as 16 years. Now there is a formula to calculate gratuity, but we can skip that and use an online calculator. Click on the gratuity calculator link, which is given in the description box below. Here you will have to input only 2 values. Input your basic plus DA from the latest CTC, and using the sliding bar, input the number of years of service or your work tenure. You will get the gratuity amount instantly. Any gratuity received during the year is fully taxable. However, if gratuity amount is received at the time of retirement or death, then it is fully exempt for employees of central government, members of civil services, or local authority employees. For other employees, there will be a tax exemption, but the tax exemption amount will be limited to the least of the following as shown on the screen. Hope all your queries about gratuity are now resolved. If you have more questions or any suggestions, then do leave us a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are Clear on a mission to simplify tax and finance.